welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. Today I'm here with two different videos of two different sets of sarees. One extremely new and one are popular range. So let's start with the popular range of sarees. These are our pure tussar silk sarees from West Bengal. Each and every saree is beautiful. The texture is beautiful. These sarees are extremely popular among our clients. So here we are with the popular designs. This is the first one. These sarees are very light in weight, very easy to drape, flowy, they get draped well, they look very nice and classy. So this is the first one, a very pretty mustard and black combination. It has a skirt border, block printed skirt border, and this is the lovely pallu. Okay, it has a slate grey or a charcoal black pallu, and this is the contrast blouse. The price range of these sarees is 7,000 to 8,500. That's the price range. So yes, this is the first one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful black. We call this black in tussar sarees, but this is actually a darkest shade of grey or a charcoal black color. A beautiful shade and a beautiful design. It has this nice white broad border on both sides and a long pallu. So it has a very nice and grand pallu. A beautiful saree. Okay, and this is the lovely blouse, self blouse. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very beautiful color. It's a bluish green color, sage green. We can call this a very beautiful bluish green. A soothing subtle color, soothing subtle design. A very beautiful saree. It has a drop shaped butta, which is in block print, and I'm just going to show you that tussar sarees are full of irregularities, like you can see here on the border. You will see knots of threads and irregular lines of handloom, like you can see here on the saree. Okay, but these are very normal. That does not mean that these sarees are defective. Tussar silk is very much like raw silk, ghicha silk, which is full of irregularities, and that is the beauty of these sarees. Okay, so this is the lovely drop butta all over block print bluish green colored saree. A very beautiful one. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the blouse. Let's move to the next one. Another mustard yellow and black combination. However, this has a beautiful motif on it and a nice temple border. Remember, these sarees are slightly lesser in height as compared to Paithani, Gadwas and Kanjivarams. So that is one tip from me. This is the lovely zari pallu. Okay, and this is the contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a very pretty one. It's inspired by indigo prints. Beautiful indigo blue color. Beautiful all over block print on the saree. If it was me, I will wear maybe a bright pink collared blouse or a sleeveless blouse or a nice shirt style blouse along with the saree in a different contrast color and look very pretty. You can also wear white shirt blouses or crop tops along with this. That will look very smart. This color is looking slightly different in the camera. It is looking more royal blue, electric blue, but however it is a nice royal blue color, I would say. So yes, this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Ekda light banda karu check. Yeah, no, it is looking slightly different. We can share photos with you of this saree if you like it. So yes, this is the one. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a very beautiful color combination. Now this is two shades of green. One is a light sage green kind of color and one is a bluish green color. A very beautiful saree. Remember, these sarees do appear patchy. Sometimes they might appear patchy because this tussar silk originally comes in off-white color and then it is dyed in these particular colors. So because of the climatic conditions over there and because these sarees are dyed, they are not of those colored silk threads. They might have some patches here and there, but like I said, these tussar silks are full of irregularities, and that is the beauty of these sarees. So yes, this is the beautiful green and green, close contrast, nice flower shaped motif all over the saree. This is the lovely pallu, okay, and this is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next is a lovely shade of brown, beautiful brown with a orange blue border, shaded border, a very beautiful design. This is the saree. Just look at that brown shade, it's so subtle and so beautiful. It has this tri-colored border, okay, and this is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the contrast blouse. Just look at the blouse, it's very interesting. It will look very nice against the color of the saree. Okay, let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one, but a very fresh combination, mustard yellow and green, a very pretty one. I just love the border design on this saree as well. It's very unique, even if it's that temple effect. It's not exactly the traditional temple design. It has this beautiful geometric lines in it, and even if you pleat up this saree, it will look very pretty. Okay, so yes, a plain body and beautiful yellow green combination. This is the blouse, self blouse. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our popular tussar silk collection. I am coming up with one more video today with very beautiful, never seen before Banarsi sarees. So stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.